I'm going to tell you how
We're at St. Vincent's Sports Performance Center. What do you guys got going on?
They're going to do the core routine that the guys here at St. Vincent's helped us kind of integrate into our overall training plan. And in general for us, the philosophy is we're going to make the biggest steps forward in performance if we can run more, or if we can run faster, or do more workouts in a week. So run training obviously is the key to what we do, but this sort of stuff essentially is going to enable us. We're not trying to, we don't lift weights, we're not trying to necessarily gain muscle mass or get stronger, but what we're trying to do is take care of any imbalances, left to right, front to back. We're trying to strengthen our core. We're trying to do things that essentially help us absorb more pounding that we do during run. And if we can do that, then essentially we can up our training volume. We can do more workouts in a week. We can do all the runs that we do faster. We're going to recover quicker because we're not going to break down as much with each workout. So this is essentially, we call it ancillary work, supplementary stuff that's going to help us train a lot harder with the run stuff.
I'm a hen jungle now. Here come the Indians. Second and dry. I'm gonna tell the story now. I remember that morning, the Indian coming.
Here at St. Vincent Sports Performance Center in Indianapolis, what we've got in our facility, we have a 25,000 square foot sports performance center. We have physical therapists, we have licensed athlete trainers, we have certified strength and conditioning coaches, we have registered dietitian, we have 2 sports psychologists here. And this was all created as a concept to bring medicine and performance together. We have clients of over 140 professional athletes from football, basketball, Olympians. We do a lot with USA Gymnastics, track and field, cross country, a lot of local universities, and then a lot of the youth in the area as well. And we have athletes travel in from all over the country. Feedback and input from clients such as Bob Kennedy, who lives here in Indianapolis, and Bob was a client of ours, and I've known him for a long time. I do a lot of work with USA Track and Field, and got to know him. And so through Bob's input, we've really developed a lot of specific programs for runners, and over time we've had folks come in, Sarah Slattery, Steve Slattery, and of course the group from Team Indiana Elite with Coach Chapman and his folks that are here today.
Yes.
Sky's dropping, air feels wet. How much more threatening can it get? People scurrying all through town. Columns turn up and eyes turn down. You know I feel a little bit out of place. The smile is trying to corrupt my face. You know what I'm saying? Then an unauthorized laugh slips out. I think you realize that's all about. Let it rain, let it rain, let it rain, let it rain. I got sunshine in your smile. Let it rain, let it rain, let it rain, let it rain. I got sunshine in your smile. I got sunshine in your smile. I got sunshine in your smile. let it rain, let it rain, let it rain. I got sunshine in your smile. Let it rain, let it rain, let it rain, let it rain. I got sunshine in your smile. I got sunshine in your smile. I got sunshine in your smile.
Good. I got the idea of doing this kind of core routine earlier in the year, and I came up and Greg, the guy who led us today, he kind of helped come up with this for me, and I think it's really helped. I mean, I think the guys like it a lot better. It's just it's kind of incorporating the same stuff we did last year, but it's also get a little bit more high intensity. It just keeps it fresh,
It's pretty intense. First time we've done 30 seconds on each exercise, so we've actually only done the whole thing like 4 or 5 times. We've done like 20 seconds, so to do it 30 seconds and under supervision is a little definitely more intense. Definitely feeling a lot stronger again and faster in the season. What's the toughest part of that workout?
Probably all the ab stuff right at the end. You really start to feel that, and you are rigging up while you stride out there.
Is it like the legs lock up, or
Just your whole body, your form just goes to pieces at the end.
and that's the challenge of this is to learn to be able to keep your form.
Yeah, that's what's great about it. As a 10K runner, at the end of the race, your form really falls apart, and you have to have the strength to keep going in the last mile and a half, 2 miles of the race. That's what's going to help.
It's 20 plus minutes of just a high heart rate and kind of activating the whole body. So towards the end, you're trying to sprint down, stride down, and it's tough. You really got to focus on form, and it's good. I like it for especially racing the 1500 mile type of stuff. I think it's good for that.
We were doing those burpees was a mountain climbers, and I got up to do the stride, and I was like, my legs are like jello, but I think that's good. You get tired, and then you got to take that stride and keep that good form. So I'm really excited to see, a couple more weeks down the road, see how I'm feeling doing this, and see the growth from it.
Let it rain,